because your window tint, man.
No, my window's down, bro. Stop doing that. This is her license car, bro. You keep doing that shit.
You got an ID on you?
No, I don't have my ID on me, man. I just came from the house.
Sit back.
No, because like, why y'all keep doing this for this tint, sir? I'm sorry. I ain't even mean to come off hostile, bro. I'm sorry. It is early. I'm sorry. No, but y'all keep doing this for this tint, man. No, I don't have no ID on me. How old are you? I'm 19. Man, hold on, man. He just did this on purpose. He just pulled this over.
Hold us.
No, I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
In here.
No, I'm not even here. Pulling me
well,
up.
I asked you how many times, man?
Oh, because like y'all keep bothering this tint. I pulled the window down.
You got a valid license?
Huh?
You got a valid license?
No.
Okay. What you suspended for?
Just suspended license, that's all.
Like for fines or something like that?
Yeah.
But you're going to have to step out for me because if you are suspended, huh? Where'd she stay at?
That's up there. I'm trying to go home. I tried this way just to go that way.
Listen. If you're suspended, I might get you out, see what you're suspended for.
I'm gonna step out the car.
You have to. Driving under suspension is an arrestable offense, man.
I know, but man, can I just go? I'm going home. That's all I'm doing is going home. Like, damn. Come on, Granny. She stay up the street. That's why you just see me at this corner.
Listen, dude. Listen to me.
Yeah, can he follow me home? Can you do that? Like, why you gotta be?
Listen to me. I'll work with you, okay? Like, driving under suspension is not the end of the world.
I know, but I can't afford another ticket, though.
I understand it, but when I asked you out of that car and you're not going,
I don't got nothing on me.
Okay, and you're not saying you're gonna get out. You're making it a hassle by not getting out of the car. I can tell you're under arrest. You want to be under arrest at that point?
I'm not even talking to you no more. I'm sorry, I ain't even.
So step on out of the car.
Or I gotta keep stepping out like.
You ain't got nothing on you, man.
Yeah, I know I'm allowed to deny you touching me too. I'm not.
Step over
I gotta
here.
let you touch me.
Stop.
No, I'm saying I don't gotta do that.
Here, let go.
Stop. This is my phone. Hold on.
Put it on.
Hold on, though.
Put it on.
Arrest me, dude. You trying to put me? I don't have to go in handcuffs.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Last time I got arrested, I don't gotta go in handcuffs.
Dude. Pat you down.
Alright, I'll do that with my hands.
Put your hands
up. I don't go in no handcuffs, though. I don't have nothing on me that you can do all of that.
Walk back here.
You just trying to put me in. I don't gotta go in handcuffs.
Listen, you don't listen to me.
I'm just talking.
You don't listen.
Last time I
listen. Suspension as a driver. No, that's an arrestable
offense. I don't
offense.
have to get in the back car and do none of that.
Dude.
No. Man, no, why are you trying to take me, bro? Don't
Stop. I'm gonna take you. Stop. Down. All right. Get up. Roll the over. Roll the over.
I'm on Britain Road, baby. Damn, why the did you just tase me, bro?
Hey, you're stepping up.
And get on my body, that shit burning, man. Please, sir, please.
Put your hands
behind. Damn, that shit hurt.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back right now.
Punch me, bro. Why the did you just punch me, man? This nigga just shot me.
Shut up.
Why you just beat my ass?
26.
What the
Shut the up.
Ew, man, that's up.
Start me.
Why you just do me like that?
32.
I had to do nothing. I didn't do nothing to you, sir.
Why'd you run?
Cause you scaring it. Bro, last time bro, I don't go to jail, bro. Every time I get pulled over, bro, they don't do nothing to me.
Shut up.
I never had to get in the car or nothing. You just take the out of me and just me up for what, bro? For no fair reason. Damn, bro, just me up. Damn.
Shut up.
You seen that, bro? You got that recorded? He just punched me in my mouth and everything. You got that recorded, bro?
I mean, you're not talking to this dude.
What? He's watching. That's all I did was ask him a question.
And you're walking away like you did the last time.
Because you just try to arrest me for no reason. What do you mean? You just try to put me in handcuffs. I'm not in no type of what?
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
My feet spread it, man. You just already did me like that. Look.
God, spread your feet,
My
dude.
feet spread, you been spreading them. You keep checking me. Why would you punch me? Why would you just punch me?
Hey, 3, anybody coming here,
I'm confused.
Yeah, I know.
Why would you just do me? Can I sit like this?
Jump in there.
Please, can I sit like this,
Jump
bro?
in.
I don't feel safe with you.
You're like fucking car, dude.
Damn, can you get my phone? What's the reason for that? Huh, sir? How you just sit there and just do that, bro? You don't got no answer for me? Can't talk no more?
What?
Why would you just do me like that, bro?
You did yourself like that.
You just beat my ass, bro.
Hey, you're getting checked out. Quit crying like a baby.
Huh?
You're getting checked out. Quit crying like a baby.
I'm just saying, bro. You know you dead wrong for how you just did me.
I
do
bro.
me like that. I ain't look. I was corroborating with him. As soon as I tell him he can't put me in cuffs or whatever, he like.
He just got
hostile.
tased.
I'm not here for the police stuff.
Turn around.
What's wrong with you?
For no apparent reason though. Like that was just uncalled for, bro. You
Sir,
just fucked
any
me
other
up for
bars?
No reason, bro.
The one hit his leg.
You just fucked me up for no reason, bro.
Yeah, hold on. Step forward a second.
Stop moving, man.
Bro, I'm hurting. What do you mean? Oh, he just jawed me in my shit.
You need your foot back at all?
No. Can I make a phone call?
No, you can't make a phone call. Jump back in there.
I can't call my lawyer.
No.
Hell yeah.
Why you acting like that towards me, bro?
What's your social?
Huh?
What's that? What's your name?
What you just say?
He's gonna get your vitals. What's your name, though?
I just told you my name was Desmond. Bro, you just didn't hear me do none of that shit, bro. Just said this shit.
Desmond now. So he's gonna put misrep on his stuff too.
No, I didn't. I didn't say nothing about no everything. What you
Shut
talking about?
up. Okay, we're done talking to you. He'd step out. He's gonna get your vitals
Acting weird,
for
bro.
the little baby here.
Where's your birthday?
You acting. Look. The 29th?
What?
When's your birthday?
He don't know it.
When's your birthday?
You some assistance. I don't know who the trust right is. I don't know, cause bro, you just,
You all got to put up already.
why you just do me like that, bro? Where's your frustration this morning? Why are you ever like that this morning? For you to be like,
And why are you running?
you just scared the shit out of me. You just tried to slam me once I told you can't arrest me, bro. I was gonna do everything you wanted me to.
Man, I think this is City of Akron.
That man, I know the law. I know y'all two of the same jurisdictions.
You know the laws more than I
in the
do.
same area.
I know.
We're in the same area.
They're actually different. It's a whole different city.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all help each other though. Y'all in the same district, bro. Y'all know y'all help each other. Y'all be up here in the cause too.
Same district? That's the Talmadge
The
boys.
same thing. Well, that's the same thing. Thomas. Y'all the same police?
No.
All the same.
We're different cities.
Well, all I know is they ain't arrest me when they pulled me over. They just talked to me. I did everything you wanted to do, straight off my car.
All right.
And that was over here I did.
Look.
But then soon as y'all
Hey,
slammed
listen to
me,
me.
I'm like,
Listen
damn.
to me.
You try to body me like. Do me like that, bro. We could have just sat and talked.
You could have not have ran.
I wasn't trying to run. You was trying to slam me. Talking about you got to put me in the back of the top car. Like
Yes, you were gonna go back in the cop car. Yeah, that's not even close. It's not even close. But yeah, there was two guns. Talmadge got you with 2 guns.
How is that not close, sir?
You stayed.
The date was November 30, 2025, and the morning sun was just beginning to warm the streets of Columbus, Ohio. What should have been a standard 5-minute traffic stop for illegal window tinting was about to devolve into a chaotic display of ego, deception, and physical resistance. At 10:05 a.m., a patrol officer pulled over a sleek sedan with windows so dark they were a clear safety hazard. The driver, a 19-year-old who appeared far more confident than the situation warranted, immediately set a tone of confrontation. When asked for his driver's license, he looked the officer in the eye and claimed he didn't have any ID on him. "My name is Eric," he stated smoothly, providing a fake last name and a fabricated birth date. He followed this up with a half-truth, claiming his license was currently suspended due to unpaid fines. He hoped that by giving a name that sounded clean, the officer would simply write a ticket and let him go. He was wrong. "I don't have to get out. Why am I being detained?" he shouted, gripping the steering wheel. When the officer informed him he was being placed in handcuffs for further investigation, the driver snapped. "I don't have to go in handcuff. You're violating my rights." By 10:12 a.m., the calm of the morning was shattered as the driver began to fight back physically. The situation exploded into a violent struggle as backup arrived. The driver screamed at the top of his lungs, claiming the officers were assaulting him, even as he actively pulled away and flailed his limbs to avoid the restraints. Even after being subdued and placed in the back of the cruiser, the 19-year-old's performance didn't end. Then came the final twist in his web of lies. Perhaps realizing Eric wasn't working, he suddenly blurted out, "My name is actually Desmond." This second attempt at misrepresentation only served to dig his legal hole deeper. By providing multiple false identities, he had transformed a simple tint violation into a series of serious criminal offenses. By 10:45 a.m., the Tough Guy Act had completely collapsed. The driver was transported to the county lockup where he was officially booked. He wasn't just facing a ticket for his windows anymore. He was charged with misrepresenting identity, obstructing official business, and resisting arrest. This incident stands as a textbook example of how a minor interaction can have life-altering consequences when a suspect chooses bullying and deception over simple compliance. Subscribe for more videos and stay updated on the rawest footage from the streets. For deep dives into the archives and the latest legal outcomes, follow Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.